Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the task hierarchy feature in Zoho Project, your 2025 guide. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Zoho Project account. The reason we do this is simple. This is your command center, where you'll manage all your tasks. Once you're in, head towards the Tasks and Milestones section. Now, this is crucial because this is where we'll be creating and organizing your tasks. Let's create a task. Just click on Add Task, fill in your task details, and hit Add. This matters because each task forms a vital part of your project's overall structure. Now that we've done that, here comes the hierarchy part. To create a subtask, select the task you've just created, click on Add Subtask, and repeat the process. This helps us because subtasks allow us to break down our main tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Next up, let's talk about dependencies. Click on the Set Dependency button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're telling Zoho which tasks need to be completed before others can start. This is vital for maintaining a smooth workflow. Finally, to visualize your task hierarchy, go to Gantt chart. This shows you a timeline view of your tasks and subtasks, along with their dependencies. This is important as it gives you a clear picture of your project's progression. And there you have it, a simplified way to use the task hierarchy feature in Zoho Project. Remember, a well-structured task hierarchy is the backbone of an organized project. So, keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.